If you want to be reminded of the fleeting moments that make life rich, just watch a sunrise.
Today's Bahamas destination is Black Point.
We're heading to Great Guana Key. It's a brief sail from Staniel Key to Black Point, Exumas. The wind is brisk and Cadence, our sailboat, is eating it up. She's our home, yet she's fleet of foot, agile and powerful enough to instill confidence in her crew, her caretakers, our family. The magic of setting sail is to lose track of time. And as the winds picked up, we focused not on sailing Cadence, but on helping her to sail herself.
I want it to be flapping. So I try to keep it tight, then it's sliding. Oh, that was fun. I like being fun.
Prepare to attack.
Ready?
Helps to lead. And iron. Casualty of section.
Over there.
There we go. So we're making slow headway. The wind just wants to blow straight from Black Point, right where we're heading. Keeping a good 50 to 60 degrees off the wind. Of course, the waves don't speed us up either. We're gonna earn it. We're gonna earn that anchorage today. We're gonna earn it. It's gonna be good. Okay. How's that sunshine feel?
It's beautiful.
Pretty good sail. I feel like we finally got into our groove.